Hi and welcome back to the Mon Motors channel. We're here today at Bristol Audi to talk to you about Audi On Demand. It's a completely new service where you can book a car between 1 to 28 days with as little as 30 minutes notice. Or if you book 24 hours in advance, we can even deliver to locations within 30 minutes of the dealership. It's available for business or personal use, so it's great for holidays, business trips or special occasions. Audi On Demand covers a great range of our vehicles, with options from small cars like the Audi A1 to larger vehicles such as the Q7, even our sporty models like the S3. All of the models available come with fully comprehensive insurance and unlimited mileage when you book. Our aim is to give you the model that you've actually booked, so you know what you're getting when you take delivery of the car. And if you need a certain colour for a special occasion, just ask one of our Audi On Demand team and they will accommodate you the best they can. Traditional car hire companies may look cheap online, but by the time you've added the extras and surcharges, the cost suddenly doesn't look that attractive. With Audi On Demand, the price you pay is upfront. What you see is what you get. No hidden charges, no unexplained extras. Our cars are specified to a high standard and already include things like sat-nav as part of the price. We do offer extras such as insurance to travel abroad. This is selected when you book, not when you're about to collect the car. At this time, we can only cover the car if travelling within Europe. There will be an additional fee of £25 per day for you to be covered. Also, to ensure that we can get yourself and the vehicle back to the UK if anything was to happen. Booking is a completely paper-free process and allows you to book the vehicle you require at a place that's convenient to you. Both the hire agreement and the vehicle appraisal will be done electronically, so let's take a look at how easy the process is. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you have any questions, please contact us at Bristol Audi. All the relevant links will be provided in the description below. Ciao for now!